like
This is a camel.
Hey Google, how did rabbit sounds like?
This is a rabbit.
Hey Google, how did sheep sounds like?
These are sheep.
Hey Google, how did chicken sounds like?
This is a chicken.
எவ்வளோ குஷி ஒரு அப்புறம் ரிப்பீட் பண்ணு டாக் கேட்டு
Hey Google, how did frog sounds like?
This is what frogs sound like. Do you want to hear a duck sound?
Yes.
Alright, here's a duck. Hey, if you like animal sounds so much, can you guess whether the following sound is a chicken or a duck's?
Duck.
This is near you. The first one is the Bank of Baroda, A. Vijaya, at number 433, PB 106, Alasandrapalyam Main Road, Gandhi Bazaar, Bangalore, Bengaluru.
Hey Google, shut up your mouth, go to home.
Nice try. It was actually...
Hey Google, how did wolf sounds like?
This is a grey wolf.
ஏன் கத்திருத்தான் எந்த ரியாக்ஷன் கொடுக்க மாட்டேன்